Namaste and welcome to my YouTube channel Star Education Network. Today I am here with a new video. By the vector method I am going to prove the internal division. That means section formula I am going to prove by vector method. So let us solve the questions by the steps and steps. Okay, the solutions for this problem are like this. I am writing some of the solutions and the givens and the proving as well. So the solutions for this, as I am writing, telling the givens as well. So given are, let us assume a triangle OAB. So we will assume a triangle OAB where the C points divide the line segment AB in the ratio of m:n. So as you can see in the figure that AB line has been cut by the point C in the ratio of m:n, and there are some givens. For an example, OA vector is written as A vector, OB vector B vector, and OC vector B C vector. And we need to prove that by the section formula, like in coordinate geometry. In the coordinate geometry, section formula was xy equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Similarly, y coordinate was m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Similarly, here by vector method also we will gonna prove the same condition, but by the vector method. So let us go further steps. So the main thing, what is the main thing to be understand during the time of examination? The main hints I am going to write. So let us start with the hint. So where AC vector by CB vector is equals to m by n. So it is very easy to remember as well. So the AC vector and CB vector ratio is m by n. So let us cross multiply this one. N AC vector equals to m CB vector. And we can use the triangle law after this step. AC vector can be converted. So an AC vector can be written as by using the triangle law that AO vector plus OC vector. That means AO vector plus OC vector. Similarly, CB vector can be break down as CO vector plus OB vector. So I am going to show the next step that or an AO vector, since the direction is opposite, so I am writing minus A vector plus OC vector is positive, so C vector equals to m. CO is negative, so minus C vector plus OB vector is positive, so that's why plus B vector. After this, let us multiply minus NA vector plus NC vector minus MC vector plus MB vector. Now let us skip. We need to find the C vector, OC vector. That's why let us keep the C and C term at a place and remaining portion at the same place. Or NC vector plus MC vector equals to MB vector plus NA vector. If we take the common C vector from here, directly I will show the step that if you take the C vector as a common, this N plus M or M plus N will go on the left hand side, and the proving will be MB vector plus NA vector by M plus N. This is the final section formula or the internal division by the vector method. And for the easierness to remember, the way to remember is that this m vector should be with the opposite of the m vector. That is m को opposite में होने b vector. Similarly, n को opposite में होने a vector. You can remember like this. So final answer is m b vector plus n a vector divided by the ratio m plus n. If that is external division, there comes the sign minus. So thank you for watching the video and hope you like the video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe the video. Thank you everyone.